Right, so what we did with this snowmobile, this is the 500 XC Edge. We got a new choke cable for it, new plugs, we cleaned the exhaust valves, we rebuilt the fuel pump, we had to put a new fuel line in the tank. Ooh man, we're gonna have to get some oil, Nathan.
Oh yeah, I'll go get it.
You gotta get some oil.
I'll pump the gas.
Pump the gas in there. We need the. No, we need the Rush stuff. No.
Black bottle.
No, that other one I think. The VES. Yeah, we need it for here. Because this one has exhaust valves. So get some. We're pumping her full of gas right now. We'll get some gas in it and then we'll pressurize this thing and prime it up.
Do we need to put them off forward?
Yeah, we'll get to that point.
Put some in.
Ooh.
Yeah. Hey, when you put stuff in like that, tip the bottle sideways. Like that. There you go.
How much?
Alright, that should be good for right now.
Oh,
How much is in there?
Do you want to put this for?
Oh, well, no, we're going to have to put more in there, Brandon. We're going to have to get some more of that stuff.
there might be stuff up in the garage.
Might have another gallon. There we go. We're going to get ready to start this thing up here pretty soon. Let me see. I just have to get more of a big deal.
How much you fill it up? All the way to the top?
I'll just pour the rest of it in here. I'll pick some more up tomorrow.
Where?
Grease per point.
Alright, so we got that. We gotta get the muffler. Alright, let's get these tools out of here.
You just sprinkle it.
What?
Sprinkle, we already got all the sprinkles.
Alright, we are back together. So, finally got the key. Where's the key?
How do you have it?
Oh, yeah, I got the key. Got the key. Got a new gas cap. We got some new fuel line on here. Rebuilt the fuel pump. Got the oil in there. Gas is ready to go. I gotta move this out of the way. Move this out of the way. Move it over here. Where's Nathan, man? Alright, let's see if we can roll this thing out here. All right, let's see if we can get our $300 piece of crap running.
Yeah, we'll do it. Come on, get the battery and the starter for us.
All right. Hold on. Now this is a $300 snowmobile that I took a chance on. Alright, bring the Milwaukee light out here.
You want to take it for a
Alright, listen, you're lazy. Give me some cord. Throw the parking brake on. Don't worry about that right now. Whoops, got choking. Smoky. Where's my idle adjustment? Here it is.
You get some more screwdriver.